People, if you're traveling down Interstate 40 and you're going through Amarillo, be sure to go to the Love's truck stop at exit 60 in Amarillo. It's just on the west side. Exit 60, Love's truck stop. And while you're there, if you're in a motorhome, you are conveniently located here. Isn't that nice? Big rigs, we love big rigs here. You can tell. Look at them. That's a 40-foot country coach. Looks like an Intrigue. That's a Magnum. Look how big this park is, people. Private showers, baths, free laundry, all inclusive. This is the park. This is the new RV park of the future. This is what they're all going to look like in 15 years.